welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm kind of going way back YouTube days and I'm doing a what's in my bag. I have decided that I'm kind of going to switch around my schedule a little bit. I'm going to start uploading beauty videos and fashion videos on Wednesdays, and then on Saturdays I'll have like my vlogs go up. I don't know, I feel like I can manage that a little bit better and I can have like, you know, like vlogging the whole week. So that is what I'm going to be starting this week, and it's just going to go on until, you know, until I'm too lazy to keep up. Don't forget, if you do enjoy this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and why not just turn on notifications so you know every single time I upload. I was playing around with the settings on my camera last night, so if the video looks weird, I'm really sorry. I don't know how to go back to how it used to be, but I think it looks pretty good from what I'm seeing, so, you know, cross your fingers. But let's get into the video now. Alright, you guys, so this is my bag right here, and this is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis, and I've been wanting this bag for a really long time, and I truly just, I'm in love with it. I will say that I got this, I want to say about like a month and a half ago, but I wasn't using it because of the leather, and because it's been raining and you guys know that this leather gets like stained and stuff, so I was really worried about that. But luckily I was reading some reviews and I was watching other YouTubers who had like the same bag, and they recommended to get the Apple brand Guard Rain and Stain Repellent, and I did do it and it's been working out great. I haven't gotten wet, and I'm probably never gonna get it wet as long as I'm alive, but it has worked for like, I do put like moisturizer on and stuff, so it has worked. I don't have any stains or anything, so I do recommend this, and it's pretty easy to apply. I just kind of wrapped my whole bag in like paper tissues, except for the vachetta or vachetta, however you want to call it. I say vachetta, I feel like it seems fancier. Vachetta just like, okay, whatever. Alright, you guys, so I'm just basically going to show you guys what I keep in here. I will say that I was like, okay, this is my favorite piece from Louis Vuitton. I've never owned anything Louis Vuitton, and I will say that I was really stupid because I was about to return this thing because the locket, only one of them moves. The other one like stays put, and I was so worried about that. I was like, it's broken, I don't know what's wrong with it. Like, I was so sad. But then I kept on watching like what's in my bags and like videos, and finally 2 girls I think said that it's normal, and I was like, okay, like my bag's okay. Anyways, let's get into it. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it, and this is basically what it looks like. It has like the maiden thing in the back, and yeah, it has like the date codes in the back zipper. So it's not actually in here, it's in the back zipper. But anyway, this is like not a review, so I'm just gonna go ahead and share it with you guys. Also, I saw in some videos people said like the old version, I guess, had like the metal piece, but now it's like, it's metal, but it has like a plastic like ball shape, so it's really good because it doesn't scratch this thing. So anyways, yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the first pocket. It does have 3 different compartments, and I'm just gonna start with the first one. So the first thing that I have here is my phone, of course. Alright, so first thing I have is my phone, and I have the, I think it's the 7 Plus, and I don't have a case for it because I'm like over my case. My case is disgusting. I need a new one, but at the same time, I know in a couple of weeks I'm going to be switching to the X, what is it called? The X Plus? What is it called? I don't know, but I'll be switching to that phone, so I feel like there's no need for me to get a phone case. So right now it is naked, and let's pray for it not to fall. Next up, I have my AirPods, and I just have a light pink case on it, like a silicone case, and I got this off of Amazon. I think it was like $8. It wasn't that expensive, and I adore my AirPods. I am nothing without these. I love how, you know, you can go to the mall, just pop them on if you're alone, and 0 human interaction. So they're really great, and like I said, they're the second most important thing, you know, besides my phone, that's in my bag. So yeah, that's that. Next up is my what is this thing called? I don't know what this is called. My 6 key holder. I don't know. And this has like the, oops, I opened it the wrong way. And this just holds my my keys, my car key, my house key, and my key from work. And then behind this thing I have some cards. So I don't want to show you guys too much, but I have some cards in there. And I like to keep it in the back just in case I am just running somewhere and I just want to take this. I can go ahead and I know that I have my debit card, my ID, and all the keys that I will ever need. So this is a really great piece. It's probably one of my favorite pieces that I own. And I'm so happy with this. And I do want to, whatever, I'll like get into that later. So that's pretty much all I carry on that first pocket. In the second pocket right here, I have, let's see, we have my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I love this setting spray. It's my favorite. It is so freaking good. Nothing compares to this. And so I carried it around because it's important. Next up, I carry my Glossier Balm.com, and I have this in the original scent. I like it a lot. It smooths out my lips a lot. Sometimes I even applied it on my cuticles. It's really, really good. I just wish I had bought a different scent because the just the normal like original one, I don't love the scent that much. So I will be repurchasing it, but next time I think I'm definitely going to be going for like the, I don't know, I think they have like a rose or like a cocoa smell, so I'm probably going to go for one of those. I have a lipstick by Dosa Colors in the shade Super Natural. I also have my favorite lip liner of the whole entire world, which is my MAC Strip Down, and this is my holy grail product. I have my little pineapple, which is so cute. This is actually, what is this? I forgot what this is called. It's like a power bank, yeah, to charge my phone or to charge my AirPods. And I do have a little tiny extension cord that I just put here and insert into either my iPhone or my AirPods, but I left it in the car and I'm too lazy to go get it. But again, I got that little cable from Amazon. It's really, really tiny, and I just hook it up. And yeah, I love this thing. It charges really good. And hello, it's like, it's adorable. So cute. I also have my ColourPop Lippy Scrub, and the reason that I have this is because I thought I was going to go somewhere after work and I wanted to reapply my lipstick. And whenever I want to reapply my lipstick, I have to scrub my lips because my lips are really, really dry and flaky, especially because I use so many like matte liquid lipsticks. So that's why I popped this in there. But this is usually not in here, but it was in here today. I have one of these like travel perfume things, and I have Viva La Juicy in here by Juicy Couture. It's just my favorite scent just to carry with me. And yeah, just in case I need to like freshen up or something, I just go ahead and spritz myself a little bit more. Then I have my hand cream, and this is from Bath & Body Works. I don't really like the packaging. I used to have a really cute one from Bath & Body Works. It was like light pink and it was so cute, but I've never been able to find it again. So this one is good. It's really moisturizing and it's really good for your nails and your cuticles. So I do like it. I just wish the packaging was a little bit nicer, but it works. So, oh well. I have my Fenty liquid lipstick, and oh, it's called Stunna Lip Paint in the shade Unbutton, and I love this shade. Definitely one of my favorites. I'm gonna do a favorite lipstick collection soon. Probably my next video will be all of my favorite nude lipsticks, so watch out for that. I also have this little tiny container, and this I got it like in the travel section of some store. I don't remember. I think it was Daiso. I'm not really sure, but I do carry my medication in here, and I do suffer from panic attacks, and so I have to carry my medication wherever I go, because if I get one and I don't have my medicine, I'll go crazy. So we don't want that to happen. A really cute hair tie. I love these hair ties. I know a lot of people say that their hair gets tangled, but my hair doesn't get tangled. I really like them, and I got this at Forever 21. So these are from Forever 21. They come in like a pack of 3. Really good. I have my Dose of Colors liquid lipstick, and this is called My Main, and this packaging is just gorgeous. The only thing I don't like is the stickers coming off. I don't really care, but it's kind of annoying and it looks kind of ugly. So I'm gonna take it off. But yeah, this is just kind of a nude shade, which I love nudes. By the way, I'm wearing Supernatural in Dose of Color. So I think it was the first liquid lipstick that I showed you guys, and that's what I'm wearing. I also have clear gloss. This is by Glossier, and I just love it. It's so juicy. I just love the packaging. I don't use gloss all the time, but when I do, I like using this. It's really, really cool. Honestly, I only use gloss like once a week if I'm really feeling up to it, because most of the time I do like matte lips, but this is really nice. I like it, and I like to see it in my bag, so I like to carry it in here. I also have this lip gloss, and again, it's by Dose of Colors. If you guys haven't noticed a pattern here, Dose of Colors are my favorite lipsticks of all time, liquid lipsticks. And this is called Over the Top, and it's a really, really pretty gold, bronzy gloss, and I love it over the top of lipstick, so it's really cute. I also have my hand sanitizer, and this is Pineapple Colada, and it smells so freaking good. So I always carry hand sanitizer because I'm a germaphobe and I need to know that my hands are clean at all times. And yeah, so in the last pocket, you can't really fit that much in the last one. And if you do, then it will get really stuffed, and then also you kind of have to share a compartment with this back pocket, so I don't really like to stuff it. So I only have 2 small things, and the first thing that I have is my wet ones. This is kind of like, I have wet ones everywhere, you guys. These are just like for emergency. I have some in my car, I have some in every single bag I own. They're just for, yeah, like I said, emergencies. You never know when you touch something really nasty. That hand sanitizer just not does the job, so you have wet ones to go ahead and clean yourself up. So these come in handy. I actually need to get another pack because I think I only have a few left, so note to self, get another pack of those. And then I also carry this mirror right here, and this is by Glossier. I did something really, really dumb. I really, really wanted this mirror like so bad, you guys. I saw it in someone's video and I thought, oh my god, those are so cute. And I went on the website, they were $10, and I was like, great, like I'll just buy it, awesome. And then the website had one of those like gimmicky offers. They're like, well, if you spend $50, you'll get the mirror for free. And I was like, oh, that sounds like a way better deal. So I went ahead and I spent $50 and I got my $10 mirror for free. But I'm happy with the things that I got from Glossier. I just wish I hadn't done that because I was really stupid. But anyways, so yeah, it comes with this little kind of pouch. It's really, really cute. And then this is the mirror, and it says you look good, and it's just a mirror, honestly. And I really like it, and I just love the little kind of like, I like its little pouch. Okay, I like things in a pouch, and I just carry that in the back because it fits. In the back compartment, I don't really keep a lot. I don't really like to put anything in here. Right now I'm carrying a few dollars. When I went on a field trip with a classroom, I just kept like their tickets in here and like their BART passes in here. So usually I keep things that I want like really, really handy. And then I also have this right here, was a St. Jude, and it has like money, and it's supposed to bring you money, but I keep it more for like protection and stuff because I'm a believer in St. Jude. So yeah, and right now I have like a random dollars there. That's basically all I carry in there. So as you guys can probably tell, I don't have a wallet. I mainly use this as my wallet because I keep my cards in here. Well, only my debit card and my ID. But I am looking for a wallet, and I've decided that I want another Louis Vuitton piece, and I want the Victorine wallet. But I wanted with the same pink interior of my 6 key holder. So I don't know how hard it's going to be to find it. Maybe it's gonna be like super easy. I don't know. I haven't called or anything. But that's kind of what I'm looking at. Obviously I'm not gonna buy it today or tomorrow or next week because I need to like save up a little bit. I think it's like in the 500s. I'm not sure. but I do want that wallet, so I refuse to carry any wallet until I get that one, just to like force myself to get it. So right now I don't really carry other credit cards with me. I'm just kind of waiting for that specific wallet. So I hope I can get it soon, but who knows. So yeah, you guys, this is my bag and I'm so in love with it. I know I'm gonna be using it for like the rest of my existence. And yeah, right now it's really skinny because it doesn't have anything, but usually like when it's like packed, it looks a little bit fuller. But I only have like a few lipsticks in here right now because I took everything out anyways. Probably in like a year or so I will do a review on that bag, see how it's like holding up. I know that I'm going to be using it for a really long time, so I'm really going to be able to see like the wear and tear. But anyway, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know these Whips in my bags are kind of like old, but I really wanted to do it with my new bag. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.